This is William, and welcome to the OhmniLabs Image Labeling Bounty tutorial. And I want to start off by saying thank you for being here. We understand that this is a difficult time across the world, that many of you are at home. So we hope that you can utilize this time to take advantage of this bounty. We hope that you're healthy and you're well. And so with that, we're going to get started. This will be a tutorial from start to finish on how to complete your bounty. And one thing that I want to note on the last tutorial, people were reaching out. So you're not going to go to this website. This is just the staging website for me to create this tutorial for you guys. This is not the official website. If you go to this website and complete the bounty, you will not receive rewards. You have to go to the official Cambria challenge page, which you can find at app.cambria.io. And once you go to our main website and you click over here on the bounty tab, you can find the bounty right here. And so this is the official page. This is where you want to be when you start the bounty, not on the staging app. So this is for demonstration purposes only. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and click on join this challenge. And here is where you would log in to your Cambria account. If you don't have a Cambria account, you're going to come right down here to create account and fill in your email address and create your password and everything it asks you to do. And then you can go ahead and log in. So I've already created an account here. So I am going to log in. And here we are. So I'm going to go ahead and start this bounty. It's going to be important for you to read through what this bounty is about, learn the rules, understand what you have to do in order to receive your compensation. There's 3 tabs here. You can learn how the challenge works and any frequently asked questions. So with that, I'll let you do that on your own time for the sake of saving time on this video. Here is the before you start page. Again, please read through this and understand everything about this bounty so that nothing happens and you don't do something wrong and not receive your rewards. The most noteworthy being that if you close the browser without saving your work will not be saved. And if you're going to invest time into this, make sure that you save your work before closing the browser. So I'm going to go ahead and click start, and here's where the bounty begins. So the purpose of this bounty is you are going to tag the objects in the images that you see. In this case, they're going to be doorknobs. So there's many different kinds of doorknobs, and this is going to help Ohmni understand more about the environment that it's in so that it can interact with that environment better. So we're starting out with doorknobs, and you're just going to draw a box around the doorknob, and it's going to populate a drop-down box in which you are going to select the type of doorknob that you see. So this would be a traditional knob. So you're going to just click on knob. And you can just continue on down the line. You are going to draw a box around the knob, and that's it. This is another knob. We're going to get to some different kinds. Okay, so here we go. And this is a handle. I believe this is a lever. There's usually a long lever on the end of there. So here's a situation where you can actually tag 2 knobs. Here's a lever, another lever. So as you can see, it's very straightforward. You're just going to go through and quickly tag images. Now, we're not going to be, penalizing anybody for a couple of mistakes, but please ensure that you are accurate as best as you can. You can see here this image was a little bit larger, so I had to slide the slider over here. Again, that's a knob, so I don't have to change it. But you're just going to go through all of these and tag the images that you find. And that's it. It's really that easy. And there are 2,000 images here, and we understand that not many people are going to do this all in one sitting. So let's say I'm done for the time being and I would like to save my work. It's very easy. You just click save, and with that we have saved successfully. So if I would like to leave this page and come back to it later, then I can do that. When I visit back on the bounty page, it will have a button that says resume this bounty, and you'll be able to pick up right where you left off. It'll probably be helpful if you write down the number in which you quit. That way you can quickly jump back exactly where you left off. So after you tag all 2,000 images, that will be when you submit your work. It's probably best if you go in order. That way you do not miss any of the images. It's important to note that you have to complete the entire bounty in order to receive your rewards. Partial submissions will not be accepted. So make sure that you finish all of the images, make sure they're tagged correctly, make sure you're using the right type of doorknob that you've tagged in your images. And really, that's it. So thank you for watching. We hope this was helpful, and we will see you on the other side.